How do I remove a filter that I've applied to a video call on my iPhone?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to remove a filter that you've applied to a video call on your iPhone. You know, those times when you've accidentally applied a filter, or maybe you just want to switch back to the normal view in the middle of your call. Either way, it's a straightforward process, and we're going to show you how.
Where did you apply the filter?
Firstly, it's important to remember that the process might differ slightly depending on the app you're using. Most video calling apps like FaceTime, Skype, or Zoom have their own specific ways to manage filters. However, most follow a similar process, so once you know one, you'll likely be able to navigate the others as well. In this guide, we will focus on FaceTime, which comes pre-installed on all iPhones.
Accessing the FaceTime filter menu.
When you're in the middle of a FaceTime call, look for an icon that resembles three circles interconnected. This is the effects icon. Tap on it to open the effects menu.
Selecting the None filter.
Now that you've accessed the effects menu, you'll see a range of filters you can apply. If you've applied a filter, it will be highlighted. To remove the filter, you just need to select the option labeled None. This option should be at the very beginning of the list. Once you tap it, any filter applied to your video call should be instantly removed.
Closing the effects menu.
After selecting None, simply tap anywhere on the screen outside of the effects menu. This will close the menu and bring you back to your normal video call view. And that's it. You've now successfully removed a filter from your video call on your iPhone. It's really as simple as that. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you'll now be able to manage your video call filters with ease. Remember, whether you want a fun filter or just your natural look, it's all about making your video calls the way you want them to be. Happy video calling!